I actually don't even know too much about your journey so far of kind
Yeah,
of what
my first one, it's in Gatlinburg in the Smoky Mountains. So I just got a small little romantic cabin there. Who would have thought, Matt Brown has a romantic cabin. So that one I did as a second home, comparably small down payment with 10%. And my real estate journey has been very recent, I guess, for serious real estate investment. I've owned long-term rentals for probably 10 years. My first primary home. And when I was ready to move, I was like, well, I could sell it or I could rent it. I'd rather rent it. Did the same thing with my second primary home. And then eventually with my third. Never realized that there were so many options. We're buying Airbnbs. So I just closed on my first one and have my second one is actually being built. I want to diversify and get into the long-term multifamily, everything, man.